Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul, and I think that's it. I went to the next town over. I had to get a few things, and I had wanted to grab some storage bins while I was there. I am trying to get everything organized. It is a slow process. So right now I am just getting the bins as I can get them. These are the smaller ones, but they do have the locking lid on them. I love the bigger versions of these bins, but they have not had them. Now, they have had them online, so I may, because I do know my kids need some storage as well. My oldest, he had asked me, well, when he saw these, he tried taking them. I'm like, no, 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 no. And he was like, but I need storage. So I told him, I said, well, take pictures of what you need storage for and send them to me so that I can see what might work best with what you have or what you need it for. So I got these, and I'm probably, because with the larger ones, I can order them online, but you have to order like 36 or something. So I'm going to get them. I just have to wait and see if I want to do it like that or not, if I want to order such a big one, because they haven't had them back in the store, and I really, really love those bins. They are so useful. They hold, a lot, and I love them. So I have been buying. I did actually buy two more of the bigger bins that are $3. But I kind of prefer the smaller ones, because the bigger ones, the lids kind of dent in if you put too much weight on it. The smaller ones don't do that. So I did end up getting 4 of these this time. And this was actually, I think, the first time that they had the smaller ones in this store. And it's weird because one store has really good containers like these. The other store doesn't have as good of containers, however, of the small, of the $1.25 ones, but they have the big containers. So that are like 3 and 5, I think, depending on which one you get. So yeah, it's weird. I haven't checked. There's another one that I need to check. It's probably about half an hour away, so I may end up going there. Oh, let me just show you the rest of the containers. Let me get the stuff out of it. Okay. So they had these. Let me see if I can. They had these big, huge bucket ones, and they are ginormous. And I was there to get, they have these, they have this one that is $3, I think. And it's really long and it's tall. But they didn't have any of the longer ones. They had shorter ones. And I was like, well, I don't really want to get the shorter ones. So I didn't get them. And then I went over to where they have like their $1.25 containers, and they had these. And so because I was looking for something to put the sheets, the extra blankets and stuff in the closet, put it into something. And because what I have now is way too small. So I saw these and I'm like, well, you know what? Because they were just about the same size, but this one was only $1.25. So I grabbed 5 of these. I grabbed 3 of this color and 2 of the gray. And they also had like a kind of like a coral color but I didn't take any of those. Okay, I found these mini foam mushrooms, and they were with the Easter stuff, and I just really liked, because they're the purple, so I grabbed a bag. I thought they were really cute. I am trying to find only the Dollar Tree stuff. I've got other videos that I'm going to be making, and I'm going to be making them today. So, all right, now these are going to stay in the bag because they are very, very glittery. And when the woman took them off of the conveyor belt, there was glitter all over the conveyor belt. And I had stood these up, so yeah, there was glitter everywhere. But they had a few different colors. They had a blue, a green, and a pink. Now, when you go to get them, you'll notice the difference when they're all together. You'll notice the difference between the green and the blue. However, if you pick blue, put it in the cart, it's going to look green. So just be aware of that. It does look more green away from the other trees, but when it's with the other trees, it looks more blue. It's very odd. But I got 4 of these. I am in the Homemakers Club here, and we are going to be doing, our public library has this one like window thing that they let different groups decorate each month, and the homemakers get to decorate it this month, and we are doing a winter wonderland theme, so I got a bunch of stuff to go with it. Let me see. There it is. I was gonna say, where is the other bag? Okay, so I grabbed, they had more of these. I love these for like smaller items. I just love using these. They are, if you have a lot of the, was it Faber-Castell gelatos? If you have a lot of those, they fit in these perfectly, the lengthwise. And I think you can get 2 rows in each one. I love these bins. And because they are purple, you know, that just makes them all the better. So I got 5 this time. I also grabbed 2 more of the index box cards, or index card boxes. They're the purple. These also are really good just for holding ephemera, or if you're making the iCads. I doubt they'd hold the Rolodex cards, but they might. I'm not really sure how. I don't know the dimensions of a Rolodex card compared to an index card, but it does, on the box, it does have the dimensions, so you can see like what, if you know the dimension of your Rolodex card, you can see if the box is going to fit it or not. That's what I want to say. Okay. I grabbed 2 of these. I don't know what it is about these marshmallows, but I love them. They're just marshmallows, but I just like eating them. I don't know why. It's odd, I know, but whatever. Okay, these were new to my store. They, excuse me, they have had beads before, but not like this in this type of pack. So I went ahead and grabbed 1 of each. This one looks like, yeah, it has a lot less. It says approximately 90 pieces. I don't know. I mean, I'm guessing that they're thinking 30 per, but I don't know that there's 30 in each. But they can get away with it because they're saying approximately. So, you know. And then this one says approximately 150. Now, this one I would believe the 90, but I don't know about 150. So be aware, you know, you may not get what it says on the container or on the package. But I went ahead and grabbed, like I said, I went ahead and grabbed one of each. I do like them. I do like the colors. So they were brand new to my store, so I went ahead and grabbed them. I grabbed this paint. This is going to be going with me for the window. I have some wood pieces that I want to paint. And, well, we have I'm giving the other ladies the option to paint some of the wood pieces that I have that are, like, I have stars, I have houses, I have trees, I think, just stuff like that. So with it being a winter wonderland, it's more of the blues and silvers and whites. So I went ahead and grabbed this color. I do have other blues that I will be bringing with me, and glitter and stuff like that. And I will try to take a picture of the finished product and post it on my Instagram. And I'll try to remember to start posting my Instagram in the description box. I really have to remember that. But yeah, so I will try to take a picture and put it on there for you guys. So there's that. And then I think this is the last items. These were new. They are, I don't want to say they were kind of like over near where they're putting the Valentines, but I don't think they were Valentine. I don't know. It could be. It was more of where, like, the containers for, like, the spring and stuff. You know how they start coming out with, like, all of the containers that are the same colors, and it's for, like, school and stuff like that. I think this was kind of along those lines. They had three or four colors, but these were the only ones I liked. The smell on these two smells really good, especially the pink one. The pink one is Lava Beach, and it just smells so good. And then the blue one is Ocean Tide. And I think there was at least one more. I know there was at least one more scent. Didn't like it, and like couldn't really smell it. So these have a great scent, and they smell really good. You can actually smell these. The other one you couldn't. So yeah, I only got these two. But that's it. That is the Dollar Tree haul. I did not get a lot. It was mostly I was going to get the containers. Like I said, I'm trying to get things organized. I'm hoping to make an IKEA trip soon-ish. I don't know when. Some things have to line up for that, but I'm hoping to get some more storage from IKEA, and that way I can get everything put away, have plenty of room, and just be able to start crafting all kinds of stuff. So if you guys enjoy this type of content, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.